Today, the immense complexities of engineering advanced systems means greater vulnerability to cyber attack.
5.
For systems designed with millions of lines of embedded code, the exposure to risk is even larger.
4.
Increased connectivity means threats have more paths to infiltrate.
3.
Systems with longer lifespans are especially vulnerable over time.
2.
Current methods of engineering for cybersecurity are already outdated.
1.
The liability you face could be catastrophic.
0.
For automotive, aerospace, and maritime systems development, Ansys Medini for cybersecurity identifies potential threats early in your design process. For achieving cybersecurity of automotive electronics, Medini is a proven systems-level solution. In 5 simple but critical steps, Medini helps you identify system assets vulnerable to attack, estimate the potential likelihood for cyber attacks, understand the consequences for both component and system-level threats, define the risk level for each potential threat, prioritize and eliminate all identified risks, document the proof of secure performance, improving overall time to market. Ansys Medini for cybersecurity.